We are back, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're all doing well out there. It's your boy Stas here, and well, you saw the title. We're going to break down SoFi today, go over the charts, what I'm doing, my thoughts, the whole 9 yards, and well, SoFi's not looking so good right now in the midst of a green day for stocks, a pretty nice green day at that, and the VIX is down 7%. But SoFi, well, it's down almost 0.5%, trading at $21.45. So we're going to break down, again, the charts, how we're looking, and we'll go over the indexes, maybe some other stocks later in the video. But first, feel free to hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts on the audio quality. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I got a new little setup here for the audio, right? Dropped about $800. Invested in the channel here, which honestly I should have done, years ago. But I mean, the audio quality wasn't that bad. I was using a Blue Yeti mic, whatever it was called. But I went to the tried and tested, whatever it's called here. Shure SM7DB, got whatever that's called, the audio interface, right? So we just dropped a bag, guys, on this on the audio setup. So let me know if you can actually hear a difference. I think you can. I went back and I looked at the audio. I did a bunch of back testing here, but let me know in the comments. It would be greatly appreciated if you can tell the difference, or just tell me in general how the audio is doing, because I'm still really getting used to this thing right here. I just got it literally this morning. So let's dive into it. Right now, it is about 3:30 p.m. East Coast time, and we're down, and we're falling even more in real time on SoFi stock as I'm making the video, right? You guys can see we're trading right now just at around $21.40, down about 0.5%. And you'll notice all day today, we've been struggling, right, to break out of the mid 21s. But at the same time, check this out. 2150 is the high on the intraday. But you'll notice, oh, wait a second, that's an ascending triangle. Do you guys see it, right? We're making higher lows into this resistance, which, I mean, again, we're slipping in real time. We're getting rejected again at 2150. Ideally, this would break if this triangle plays out. We're not seeing it yet, but it's something to monitor for the rest of the day. Well, I guess by the time you're watching this video, the market's closed, but it's something I'm watching here, and I doubt it breaks out by the end of the day, but it is something that's forming, and maybe something to watch for, heading into tomorrow. And on this 5-day, 5-minute, you guys can see yesterday we saw a big drop in the stock from 22.10 at open to about 21.20 in the aftermarket. SoFi got a big dump yesterday, and we're kind of consolidating today, again, like we saw, but really not making much of a move in either direction, which has kind of been the case for the stock here for about a month. Honestly, more like 3 weeks, but close to a freaking month, guys. We're almost there, right? So we're noticing here on the chart that, well, again, we're consolidating, and that's after a massive run for the stock. It makes sense, right? This is not out of the ordinary. And remember, the company is selling shares, right? What, $1.5 billion worth? I forget the exact share count, but I'm pretty sure it was at about $20.80 roughly. So you got to realize, when a company does this, the stock is not going to just moon afterwards, right? It's quite the opposite. It's going to fall down, which we saw, and it's going to trade in that range roughly where they're selling the shares. Again, $21, whatever it is. It's gonna hover there for a little bit, and that's kind of what we're getting. And that's not it doesn't happen that way all the time, but it's something that I've seen happen time and time again. When we see companies do public offerings at X dollars per share, the stock, it usually tanks down, or goes up. Well, if they're getting bought out at a certain share value, it goes up to that value. That's a whole nother topic for a whole nother video. That's completely separate. But in this case, we're just talking about share dilution, right? If a stock goes, in this case, to $25, like SoFi did, and then we got news, oh my God, they're selling shares for $20 or whatever, we're going to get that drawdown. We got it. And now we're just consolidating, which has kind of been the case for about a month. And I'm not surprised, again, because we just went haywire for a good 3 months, 3 months. Now we're going to consolidate a little bit. It's already been a month, but it might be another month. It might be another 2 weeks. We might draw down 10, 20% and then get a rebound. I don't know, guys, right? So as of now, that's what we're noticing. And a good thing here for the bulls is overall, we're maintaining above $18, $19, which that was the high, not the all-time high, but at the time back in early 2025, that was a high price for Sofi, right? So we're maintaining above that point, holding it as support, and we're also above the 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart right here. $20.45 is where that's at. So that's a good sign for Sofi. And honestly, as long as we're consolidating above that, the bulls should not have any worries. Now, if we break under $20, let's say we start slipping under $19 and let's say 50 cents, you know what I mean? We start breaking this trend line. Then at that point, all right, maybe we fill the gap down to 18.50, which again, back in January, that was, a multi-year high at that point. Maybe that's where it goes. But until then, this is pure consolidation. We're above the 180 SMA. Pretty good. Can't complain about that. And, we'll rock and roll with it, guys. I like it. I like the way it looks. And this is healthy, in my opinion. I don't want to see the stock up to the right forever. I mean, ideally, who wouldn't want to see a stock go up forever? But that doesn't happen. You know what I mean? We have to see sideways trading. We have to see what we're seeing here. Again, it all comes down to the public offering, the share dilution that we're seeing, which, in a couple months, whatever it may be, even shorter than that maybe, the market is probably going to brush that off and move on, and we might go higher. Keyword is might. Nothing's guaranteed. And by the way, let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys, as always. And, hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe if you guys want to do that. I appreciate you all, as always. And like I said in the intro, we're down on Sofi in the midst of a green day. Stocks are pushing across the board right now in terms of the indexes. We're seeing the S&P 500 up just over 0.75%. You're seeing that right here, over $5 in the green. We're clearly starting to bounce off the 180 SMA. In fact, we were doing that earlier in the week, right? Now we're just making it look even better. And if we're looking at SPY here, where are we? We're right at the highs from yesterday and, the day before, right? Monday. We hit 633.50 on Monday. Tuesday, we hit that same point pretty much. And now Wednesday, we're there again, and we're making higher lows into it. So if I'm making a, technical bet here, man, on these charts, kind of looks like we're going higher. Call me crazy, man, but it kind of looks like we're going higher on the S&P. Looks pretty good there on the 5-day, 5-minute, and on QQQ. Same thing. If I pull up this 30-minute chart, you guys will clearly be able to see higher lows being made into this resistance at about 566, 567, which in fact, we're actually already starting to break out of, which, hey, I can't complain. I'm liking the way the charts look there. So I'm going to wrap it up here. I don't want to keep you guys too long for this video. Indexes are green. I'm loving it. Looks like we could be going higher. And Sofi, well, it's seeing some much needed consolidation. It has been, and it looks like, well, that's continuing. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Check out the links down below if you want to join my free email stock newsletter and my Patreon for my portfolio updates. No pressure, obviously, just saying. Links are down below. And with that being said, I'll catch you all in the next video.